Good morning, students. In this lesson of our supplementary reader, Golu grows a nose. We are learning that Golu is a very inquisitive baby elephant who wanted to know a number of things about other animals. He asked various silly questions to different animals and especially about the crocodile, though he had never seen, but he had heard his name and he wanted to know what did a crocodile eat for his dinner. So he started his journey to the Limpopo river. He took 100 sugar canes, 50 dozen bananas and 25 melons for his journey and started. Then he reached to the river. On the way he met a python and after meeting him he started his journey again. The python started following him quietly. पाइथन ने उसका धीरे धीरे पीछा करना चुपचाप बिना उसको बताए पीछा करना शुरू कर दिया. Though he reached there, he directly met a crocodile whom he thought a log of wood. उसने समझा कि ये log of wood है, तो उसने उसी को ही पूछ लिया, have you ever seen a crocodile? तो उसने कहा हाँ मैं ही हूँ. He asked him, what do you eat for your dinner? So crocodile started shedding crocodile tears. Crocodile tears means false tears. अब उसने कहा हाँ मैं ही हूँ, but come near to me. मैं तुम्हें धीरे बताऊँगा, कान में बताऊँगा. And Golu is very innocent and he reached near him. Okay? And the crocodile, naturally वो तो crocodile है, उसने क्या किया? He caught Golu's nose into his snout. अपने snout में उसको दबा लिया उसकी nose को. The python who had been following Golu quietly came to the bank and said, if you do not pull as hard as you can, the crocodile will drag you into the stream. Crocodile ने को कहा उसको पाइथन ने कि अगर तुम अपना आप को जोर से नहीं खींचोगे, जितना दम लगा सकते हो लगाओ और खींचो अपना आप को, अदरवाइज crocodile take you to the stream and you would become his dinner. Golu sat back on his little haunches and pulled and pulled. The crocodile slipped into the water, making it all creamy with great sweeps of his tail, and he also pulled and pulled. There was a struggle, hard struggle between them. कैसे? गोलू भी अपने haunches के बल बैठ गया. Haunches is a part of, listen, it is important to know for you that what is a haunch. Haunch is a part of a buttock and thigh considered together. हमारी सीट और थाई जिसके बल हम बैठते हैं, ये थाई का पार्ट कहलाता है haunches. अब एलिफेंट नीचे बैठ गया अपनी haunches के बल. समझ में आ गई ना बात? Haunches is a buttock and thigh considered together, जिसके बल हम बैठते हैं. ठीक है? अब वो बैठ गया and he started pulling and pulling harder. The same was done by the crocodile also. He also pulled and pulled. Crocodile क्या pull कर रहा था? He was pulling the nose of Golu and he was shaking his tail. क्योंकि वो pull कर रहा था, तो the pressure was coming onto his tail. He was moving his tail and making the water which was all around there creamy. झाग हो रहे थे उसके मूवमेंट से, देयरफॉर इट इज दिस वर्ड क्रीमी इज रेफर्ड हियर। क्रीमी कैसे बन रहा था? वाटर, बिकॉज ऑफ द बबल्स विच वर मेड थ्रू द मूवमेंट ऑफ हिज टेल, क्रोकोडाइल की टेल के मूवमेंट की वजह से जो वहाँ पर वाटर वाइटिश हो गया था। Then the python coiled himself round Golu's stomach and said, "Let's pull harder." Golu dug in all his 4 legs in the mud and pulled. The nose kept on stretching. At last, at each pull, the nose grew longer and longer and it hurt Golu. The nose was now 5 feet long, but it was free at last. क्या हुआ कि पाइथन ने भी अपने आप को कॉइल कर लिया एलिफेंट के, गोलू के स्टमक पर अपने आप को कॉइल कर लिया, लपेट लिया, एंड बोथ ऑफ देम दे स्टार्टेड पुलिंग हार्डर एंड हार्डर। बट व्हाट हैपेंड टू नोज? इट स्टार्टेड बीइंग स्ट्रेच्ड, इट केप्ट ऑन स्ट्रेचिंग। नाक भी तो खींचती गई उसमें, एंड एट ईच पुल इट ग्रू लॉन्गर एंड लॉन्गर। जितनी बार इसको खींचा गया वो नोज उसकी लंबी होती गई, बट इट वॉज फ्रीड एट लास्ट, और आखिर में ये फ्री हो गई, छूट गई, एंड दिस नोज बिकेम 5 feet लॉन्ग। Golu sat down with his nose wrapped up in a big banana leaf and hung it in the great grassy Limpopo river to cool. Now it was aching too much and bleeding was also there, so it was wrapped in a banana leaf and he sat at Limpopo river so that it gets cool. Okay, so that this nose, long nose now, it got cool now. Golu sat there for 2 days waiting for his nose to cool and to shrink. It grew cool but it did not shrink. Just think, he thought that it would shrink back again. Shrink मतलब सिकुड़ना, come closer. तो जब स्ट्रेच की थी तो उसको बहुत पेन हुआ। He sat in the river water, okay? He sat in the river water to get it cool, but it did not happen. It cooled, but it did not shrink. ठंडा कूल तो हो गया वो, उसका पेन कम पड़ गया, but it did not came closer. It did not get shrink. सिकुड़ी नहीं वापस. At the end of the second day, a fly came and stung Golu on the shoulder. Golu lifted his long nose, means now trunk, with it hit the fly there. Or now a surprise. Then suddenly a fly came there and stung Golu on his shoulder. Golu lifted his long nose now. गोलू ने क्या किया? अपनी लॉन्ग नोज को लिफ्ट किया और उसको मार डाला। द फ्लाई बिकेम डेड नाउ। एडवांटेज नंबर 1, हिस्ड द पाइथन, यू कुडंट हैव डन इट विद योर स्मॉल नोज, ट्राई एंड ईट अ लिटिल नाउ। पाइथन ने कहा, ये तो तुम्हारा पहला बेनिफिट है, यू कुडंट हैव डन दिस विद योर स्मॉल नोज, तुम अपनी छोटी नोज से ऐसा नहीं कर पाते। यू कुड नॉट हैव किल्ड अ फ्लाई विद योर ट्रंक विच वॉज अ स्मॉल नोज अर्लियर, नाउ इट इज अ ट्रंक। सो चलो नाउ अब हम कुछ खाते हैं। गोलू पुट आउट हिज ट्रंक एंड प्लग्ड अ लार्ज बंडल ऑफ ग्रास, ही डस्टेड इट अगेंस्ट हिज 4 legs एंड स्टफ्ड इट इनटू हिज माउथ। गोलू बाहर आया अब रिवर से, ट्रंक, he expanded his trunk, plucked a large bundle of grass, बहुत सारी ग्रास बंडल बना लिया उसको, खूब सारी ग्रास उखाड़ ली उसने। he dusted it against his 4 legs, अपने ही पैर पर उसको डस्ट ऑफ कर दिया, उसकी सारी डस्ट निकाल दी। and stuffed it into his mouth. With the help of his trunk, he stuffed it. अपने मुंह में डाल दिया. Advantage number 2 is to the python. You couldn't have done it with a small nose. Don't you think the sun is too hot now? Python said that was the benefit or the advantage number 2. क्या था advantage number 2? He could not have eaten that amount of grass with the help of his small nose. तो ये भी एक benefit है. With the help of his trunk, he could eat anything in a large amount. And he asked him that the sun was too hot then. Golu scooped up some mud from the bank and slapped it on his head. Think. गोलू ने क्या स्कूप अप टुगेदर चीज इकट्ठा करना. जैसे आइसक्रीम इज, यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस हाउ डू आइसक्रीम इज सर्व्ड. एक स्कूपिंग कप होता है जिसके थ्रू इकट्ठा करके हम बाउल में डालते हैं. सो व्हेन ही फेल्ट हीट, Golu scooped up some mud from the river bank and slapped it on his head और अपने सिर पर डाल दिया. Advantage number 3 is to the python. You could not have done it with a small nose. And now python said that was the advantage number 3. समझ में आ रही है ना बात कि ये तो अब एडवांटेज है कि इसकी हेल्प से तुम अपने आप को कूल भी कर पाओगे. Thank you, Mr. Python, said Golu gratefully. I will remember all this and now I will get back to my family. So, this Golu expressed his gratitude to Python and he said that, thank you, Mr. Python. And he said that he would remember all that and now he wanted to go back to his family. So, there were 3 advantages of a long nose of an elephant. Okay? First, try to find it out yourself. कि क्या क्या पहली एडवांटेज क्या थी? That he could not have killed a fly with the help of his small nose. So that was advantage number 1. Second advantage was that he could not have eaten a large amount of grass with his small nose. So that was an advantage number 2. Because of his trunk, he could eat large amount of grass together. And the advantage number 3 is that with the help of his trunk, he could keep himself cool. He could slap the mud on his head or at any body part. So this trunk is now very useful for the elephant. And through this we have learned that we should be curious, but this curiosity should not take us to the trouble. If we do not follow the advice of our elders, we can find ourselves in trouble.